inverse relation between demand and price, while the positive sign associated with the ES or elasticity of supply is due to the direct relation between supply and price. This question can also be asked from you, that what is the importance of the, or what is the significance of the negative sign associated with elasticity of demand and positive sign associated with the elasticity of supply. So you have to remember that for demand, minus sign implies that there is an inverse relation between demand and price, while for supply the positive sign implies positive relation between supply and price. Now as we did the degrees of elasticity for demand, similarly we have the degrees of elasticity for supply. Again the degrees range from 0 to infinity. First is ES equal to 0 or perfectly inelastic supply. It means a situation where supply cannot change or supply cannot be altered whether due to the changes in price. Right? For example, you can take ancient coins. Ancient coins are you know what are ancient coins? The supply is perfectly inelastic because they cannot be produced. Right? So even if the price is very high, then also person cannot increase the supply of these things. All ancient commodities, all things which you have discovered from the past civilization, and maybe few more commodities whose supply is perfectly inelastic. Look at it diagrammatically. It is same as the perfectly inelastic demand curve. ES equal to 0. अबे यार क्या कर रहा है?